Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to make a game pass for PLS Donate so you can start receiving donations properly. Before anything, remember that you cannot create a game pass directly inside PLS Donate. You need to create it through Roblox first. Start by opening your browser and going to the official Roblox website. Log into your account, then click on the Create tab at the top of the screen. If you don't already have an experience created, click Create New Experience and generate one. You don't need to build anything inside it, it just needs to exist. Once your experience is created, click on it, then go to the Associated Items section and select Passes. Click Create a Pass. Now upload an image for your Game Pass, add a name, and write a simple description like Donation. Click Preview, then click Verify Upload to finish creating it. After the pass is created, click on it and select Sales. Turn on the Item for Sale toggle, then set the price in Robux. Click Save Changes to confirm. Now open Roblox and join PLS Donate. Claim a stand, and your game passes should automatically appear for players to purchase. Once someone buys your Game Pass, the Robux will be added to your pending balance. And that's how you create a Game Pass for donations successfully. Subscribe the channel for more videos.